And to step it up, I'm gonna add a couple more Shashibo in here. And the way that we're going to add some Shashibo in is we're going to make a couple shapes, our leapfrog and our star. Our star in this one is going to act as an anchor for our leapfrog. And we make the leapfrog, it's very close to the spaceship, but instead of having those points on either end, we actually get this kind of rounded end. So let's learn how to make that. We're gonna open one section of our Shashibo into the crown. We're gonna take our crown and we're gonna open it like a book on that hinge all the way back into the spaceship shape, which is the easiest way to get this piece pulled open into the slack-jawed hive. And then I'm going to take the slack-jawed hive and move it back up exactly where it was in the spaceship shape, except that I only want this middle section. These other two pieces are going to kind of scoop down over while I pull that up into this hollow shape. And that looks a lot more nuanced and difficult than it is, but it really is just taking this piece right here and bringing it up. Those other pieces will do the rest of the work. So I'm going to make a few of my leapfrogs, but you're going to want to get familiar with how the leapfrog works because we need to open it to get it onto our shape. And I'll show you exactly what I mean. By taking the front tab, the front frog if you will, from our leapfrog, and I'm going to pass that into the middle of the star. But I want this back end to go over one of the points, right? So I want to put my tab through the middle and take this back end and put it over that point of the star. And I'm going to follow that same connection the whole way around. It just gets a little trickier as it gets a little tighter, right? Now there's only so much wiggle room as I add in my last piece, so I need to get that front tab in just right and pull this back piece around the outside. And there is our other side right there. And so that is 4 Shashibo tightly woven together into what I consider to be a really satisfying shape. Now, I wanted to show you the leapfrog because it's a very cool shape and it has one of my favorite relevances to itself of getting to mesh just like that to make our Shashibo S. Or the heart, of course, or you could attach it to the back end in a group of 3, just like so, to make something cool. I just think that the leapfrog is a very useful shape.